So in this video, I'm going to go through one of the best free resources there is, 100% for free. I'm going to go through the advantages and disadvantages of this resource. I do many reviews of different sites, different products, not sponsored by anyone. So please subscribe and like the video if possible. So the site is called Math Genie, which is pretty good, but also has its drawbacks, which I'm going to tell you, which you might not know. So you got exam papers over here. These are past exam papers, so Edexcel. And I noticed they just do the GCSE Edexcel, so the IGCSE version isn't going to be here. The good thing about these exam papers is you also have a exam paper, you got the mark scheme, and also what they released is an answer kind of written out. So they've written out, gone through it, which is pretty good, as well as videos where they walk through going through the answers. They also have Key Stage 2 revision. The Key Stage 3 revision isn't here, but what you see is grade 1, grade 2, grade 3. And Key Stage 3 is usually grade 1 to grade 4. So it's kind of like they lumped it all together in the GCSE section. It's not split by exam boards. It's not split by Key Stage 3, GCSE, higher. It's all in one location, but it goes through grades. So on the side over here, they got a video that introduces you to the basics of that specific topic. So if this is compound interest, this is the basics. You're then given exam questions on that specific topic that you can try out. These exam questions are pretty good. The beginning is easier, then it gets relatively harder. But I would say these are based on the old syllabus. So these questions aren't particularly hard to do. The new syllabus is much more challenging. And over the years, I've noticed a site from maybe like 12 years ago, and it hasn't really updated. And the syllabus has changed quite a bit. The difficulty of the questions have changed quite a bit. So I wouldn't say these questions are a great representation of what you're going to get in a real exam. You also get a PDF filled with the actual solutions, but there's not a video step-by-step on how to arrive at these actual answers. You have a wide selection of topics to choose from. So this is going to grade 7. I can see the grade 8, grade 9. You got quite a few different topics. But I personally don't think this is the greatest site for it. I've went through different sites which have a greater database of exam questions split by topic. Personally, I have them on myself for my website, but there's others like Save My Exams and others that I'm going to go through later on. But this is a free resource. So you don't have to pay, like, for example, my resources. I have packages, Save My Exams. You also have to pay for quite a lot of resources you have to pay for. This is why it hasn't been updated so much. But for a free resource, this is incredible. My suggestion is to print out the questions, have the solutions next to you, and you have to piece by piece try to figure out how to answer those questions, because sometimes a video explanation is much better. But for a free resource, you can't get much better than this. It's actually one of my favorites for a free resource, which is 100% for free. They even do A-level revision for math, but this is more centered for math. It's not centered for other subjects. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like the video, take care, and have a nice day.